Today's tutorial is about how to find a tangent line. Tangent line is a line that touches a curve at a point without crossing over. Formally is a line which intersects a differentiable curve at a point where the slope of the curve equals the slope of the line. For the first example we're going to do is, what is the tangent line of the point 3 over 2? Given the function f of x, y over 2 over 2. Y means y to the 2 over 2. This is a formula. Y minus f of c equals f prime of c, parentheses x minus c. Given the level you see. This is all the parts we're going to have to find. And given the point 3 over 3, 2 is the same thing as c for c. Therefore, c equals 3 and f of c equals 2. Now we have to find the derivative in order to solve what's apart. Therefore, we're going to derive this part. This is 2, the derivative of the top, minus top, the derivative of the bottom, all over 2 squared. Therefore, we simplify. The derivative of this part is 2 is multiplied from the front, which is the 1, giving a 2. The exponent is minus 1, which 2 minus 1 equals 1, leaving a y like that. Minus y2 times the differentiable of 2, the derivative of 2 is a 0. Therefore, cause this all to be 0. All over 2 to the exponent of 2 equals 4. You simplify more. 2 times 2 equals 4y. This is cancel. All over 4. Causing 4 over 4 to cancel, leaving y. And from the point they told us that y is 2. Therefore, the derivative of f is 2. When given the functions, we're going to plug into an equation that was given us as y minus f of c equals f prime of c, parentheses x minus c. Minus f of c is 2. F prime of c is 2 times x minus 3. We're going to distribute the 2 to the x and negative 3, giving us 2x times minus negative 6. We're going to move the 2 by adding it. They'll cancel out, leaving the y itself, and 2x minus 4 will be the answer. That's the equation for this function. The next example is finding the tangent line in a medium level. Let f be the function given by f of x, 3x minus 1 to the power of 4 plus x plus 2. For the line tangent of the graph of f at the point where x equals 1. It gives this part of information, meaning that c equals 1 as well. Therefore, we have c equals 1. We have to find this part because they didn't give us. For that, we have to plug in 1 to the given function. It will be 3, which is 1, minus 1 to the 4 plus 1 plus 2. We solved all through, and we will get 2 to the 4 plus and for f of c is 19. F of pi, now we have to derive the function in order to get our answer part. Therefore, derivative of this part is 3x minus 4 derivative plus x plus 2 derivative. We're going to bring down the 4 by multiplying from the front. Be 4 3x. And from the exponent we minus 1 equals 3. And we have to derive this part inside, which we only need 2 to 3, plus the derivative of this inside, which is 1, because the derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of 2 is 0, leading us to 1. Therefore, we kind of like simplify 4 times 3 equals 12 to this 3x minus 1 to the 3 plus 1, don't forget the 1. And we're going to plug in x to 1 since that's a given point. 12, 3, 1 minus 1 to the third plus 1. Solve it inside. 3 minus 1. Twelve times 8 equals 96 plus 1 equals 97. Therefore, we found the 3 parts, and we're going to plug into the equation. Y minus f of c, which was 19. F prime of c was 97 times the x minus c, which was 1. Now we're going to distribute y minus 19, 97x times negative 97. We're going to add the 19 both sides. That side will cancel, leaving y itself. At negative 97 plus 9 equals 26. Causing this be an equation 10 to 9 at this given function. Moving on to the next harder level of B difficulty. An equation of the line tangent to the graph of f of x plus cosine x at the point 0, 1. You have to find these type of parts in order to find our equation. Therefore, they had given us 0, a point where we know that c and f of c is given. Therefore, c is 0, f of c is 1, and we're going to find the derivative. For that, we have to derive the equation. So that means x the derivative plus cosine derivative. The derivative of x equals 1 because 1 times the front side of x has nothing, so which means 1 minus 1 will equal 0, which will lead to 1. Plus cosine, the derivative of cosine is minus sine of x, and the derivative of inside is 1, which is the same thing. So 1 minus sine of x is the derivative. For that, we have to plug in 0 in order to find our answer. And this will cancel out, leaving us 3 equal 1. Having our 3 parts, we're gonna end up solving the equation like y minus f of c, which is 1, minus the f prime equals 1, parentheses x minus c. Therefore, we're going to distribute having 1 x and 1 times 0 equals 0. Remove the 1 at both sides, they will cancel, and x will equal x plus 1, giving us the equation of the tangent line for this function. And that's it for my tutorials.